If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing GTA 5, this guide will help you troubleshoot and improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to unlock smoother gameplay. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for GTA 5. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading your components. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Keeping your drivers up to date can significantly improve performance and reduce lag. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Open the game and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower the resolution and reduce the quality of textures, shadows, and other effects. This can help alleviate strain on your system and minimize lag spikes. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that consume a lot of resources can interfere with your gaming performance. Step 5. Optimize network connection. If you're playing online, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Use a wired connection if possible, and consider resetting your router. Additionally, limit the number of devices connected to your network while gaming. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce lag spikes and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in GTA 5. Happy gaming!